So for this last part of the presentation, I'd like to present the social media posts that I would like to use. The visual elements of part of the social media posts are really important. First of all, I would like to make the logo, the profile picture, once again, to reiterate that what organization this is and what it means regardless of what country you're in. It means the same thing in both countries, and it relates to both countries in the same way. Again, the pictures that the people will see along with the quote support the anti-hate, we're better together, hashtag stop the hate, hashtag love all. This is something that can go on Instagram, it can go on Facebook, and it can go on Twitter. They all now use the hashtags, and you can hashtag it, which allows people to hashtag their pictures supporting the campaign, and then post them, and then it becomes a huge online community. And right now, online communities are what are making differences in these types of situations. These pictures are emotionally engaging to the people that are seeing them because they most likely represent them or someone that they know and someone that they relate to, whether it's a friend or a family member. Um, and just seeing everyone together really helps drive the point home to eliminate racial prejudice, that we really do all get along way better when we work together. We're not trying to fight each other. And that's what both of these pictures are representing.